In front of us here sits the box Sonos Move 2 speaker, and you know what? I can almost hear the live performance already. Yeah, kind of like that, and you can see right here the contents of the box. So what's different about the Move 2 than other generations? Well, it's its acoustic architecture, which replaces Move's single tweeter with two, unlocking a higher fidelity stereo soundstage.
And I will test that stereo soundstage out. You can count on that. But first, I want to talk about some of its impressive features.
Like automatic true play tuning. So no matter where you are or what you play, you get the best listening experience possible. And that's because Move 2 continually optimizes the sound for its surroundings. Another huge improvement over previous generations is now you can have up to 24 hours of playback on a single charge. So I guess a live band can just keep on playing. And don't worry about accidentally dropping the Move 2 either, because it was constructed with shock-absorbent materials. Plus, the ultra-durable design weathers against spills, splashes, rain, dirt, humidity, sun, and yeah, I'm almost out of breath. You can now charge on the go with any USB PD power supply. Just set Move 2 on the included wireless charging base, which has been upgraded with a detachable power cable and more compact adapter.
And finally, the Sonos Move 2 is an Alexis-enabled smart device. If that's your thing, I personally like apps, so I downloaded the Sonos app, and it can handle all your content, all your management of your settings, but I personally like this feature. Hey Sonos, how about a sound test? Hello?
Pretty little peacock with your little heat, trying to get attention from my girl. She rock, she top, heel top, you top, poppycock, A-spot, go flock, out that door, doc, knock, knock, who's there? No supplicant, don't make me get my get back. You rap and paint your cap orange, cause she just said that you want you pretty
Peacock,
pretty
peacock,
pretty
peacock,
you're a peacock, pretty
peacock,
pretty
peacock.
Overall, the Sonos Move 2 definitely brings crisp vocals and a higher fidelity stereo soundstage. To put that simply, you got a live band playing inside this impressive little speaker. Seriously,
Guys,
you do.
you can take a break now. Take 10. I gotta roll.